We potentially have ahead of us a busy summer. We have BSN, Bravida, Alan Afalo, who have I forgot? Igloo and Global Blue. So we've got a large number of transactions in the market. Never rains, of course, in this market. And I think one of the fundamental differences between this time last year is that some of those transactions, of course, do have existing syndicates. And in the case of Igloo especially, we're expected to see very strong demand from those existing syndicates. This time last year, the market was in a situation where it was facing really a rather long summer with certain transactions such as Comhem, which was eventually partly syndicated via a mezzanine tranche. In today's market, we have seen the high-yield bond market, especially in the States, going through hopefully a temporary closure. And as a result of that, we're seeing the re-emergence, question whether or not it will be on a more permanent basis of mezzanine. We're seeing that in transactions for Alan Afalo and for BSN. Looking forward, the deal flow beyond the summer, I think most expectations are that it's looking fairly slim. This is against the background of general turmoil with the Eurozone crisis and general nervousness and low levels of activity within the M&A market generally.
And in terms of liquidity, what would you say from the panel were the main points in terms of, we'll be able to finance these deals that are coming to the market? Is there bank appetite for the deals?
There is bank appetite for the deals. I think I think that one has to draw the very big distinction between existing deals and those transactions that don't have an existing syndicate, so you're talking new money. There I think it's going to be a lot more difficult. I think also going forward, and I alluded to this during the panel, I think there may potentially be an increasing polarization between sponsors, between those who have an established track record and a consistent story to tell and those who don't. And I think that those who have the strong track record will be the winners, if you like, and of course they will secure the larger share of bank liquidity. But the bottom line is that bank liquidity is proving more and more difficult. We talked also in the panel about other areas outside of kind of cash flow, LBO lending, such as infrastructure financing, and there we have seen a great deal of supply, and off the back of that, increasing demand from banks, and also we've seen a compression in pricing and of terms. Will we see that in the LBO market? I don't think so anytime soon.